Deep in the jungle, green and bright, animals play in morning light. Green and lime, forest and olive, come and sing, jump and jive. Green is the frog who hops so high, leaping and laughing into the sky, splashing puddles, singing tunes. Green little frog loves monsoon. Olive is the parrot with feathers wide, flying over trees with colorful pride, squawking songs from branch to tree. Olive parrot sings happily, jump and flap, slither and spin. Green jungle friends call you in. Olive, lime, forest green, brightest colors you've ever seen. Lime is the snake with a twisty tail, slithering fast through the leafy trail, with sparkling eyes and a wiggly way. The little snake loves to sway. Forest green is a turtle slow, marching gently where rivers flow, with a shiny shell and steady feet. Forest turtle is calm and sweet, jump and flap, slither and spin. Green jungle friends call you in. Olive, lime, forest green, brightest colors you've ever seen. Green and olive, lime and trees, dancing softly in the breeze. Forest green dreams everywhere, come with us, the jungle's fair.